If you're considering SurveySparrow for your business, but are unsure if it's the right fit, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before buying. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share valuable insights that'll help you make an informed decision. First things first, SurveySparrow is all about creating engaging, conversational surveys. Unlike many competitors, SurveySparrow takes a unique approach with its chat-like interface. This creates a more interactive experience compared to traditional survey tools, which often feel more formal and static. This could be a game changer if you're looking to capture responses in a way that feels more human and less robotic. Next thing to consider is the pricing structure. SurveySparrow is often compared to platforms like Typeform and Google Forms, but what sets it apart is the range of pricing tiers that fit various needs. While it's not the cheapest option, especially compared to Google Forms, it offers more advanced features like logic branching and custom branding, which may justify the price for businesses that need those capabilities. However, if your budget is tight and you don't need advanced features, you might want to look at other free alternatives or try out SurveySparrow's free trial first to test if it meets your needs. The third thing you should know is how SurveySparrow integrates with other tools. This is a big one because integrations can make or break your experience. While SurveySparrow offers integrations with major platforms like Slack, Zapier, and HubSpot, it's not as expansive as competitors like SurveyMonkey, which offers a wider range of integrations, especially in the enterprise space. But if you're already using a few of the big-name tools like Salesforce or MailChimp, SurveySparrow could still offer a solid solution. Moving on, one feature that stands out is the automation and analytics side of SurveySparrow. The platform offers advanced reporting and data analytics that you can customize to suit your business needs. For example, you can track responses in real time and create actionable insights using the data. This is something that sets it apart from basic survey tools like Google Forms, which offer very limited analytics. If you're running a business or doing market research, this could be a major advantage. However, if you just need a simple survey to gather basic feedback, this might be overkill for your needs. The fifth thing you need to know is that SurveySparrow offers an impressive user experience. The platform's design is modern and user-friendly, especially compared to more dated competitors like SurveyMonkey. The drag-and-drop builder makes it easy for anyone to create surveys quickly without needing coding skills. However, it does have a learning curve when it comes to some of the more advanced features, so you may need to spend a bit of time getting comfortable with the platform. The sixth thing to consider is customer support. SurveySparrow has solid customer service, including live chat and email support. However, it's worth mentioning that if you're comparing it to a larger competitor like Typeform, their support isn't as robust. Typeform offers 24/7 support and a more extensive help center. That said, SurveySparrow's customer support is generally fast and helpful, and for most users, it should be sufficient. And lastly, if you're looking for a tool that can scale with your business, SurveySparrow delivers. It offers enterprise-level solutions with customizable plans, so you can scale your surveys as your needs grow. This is perfect for businesses or organizations that want to gather feedback from a large customer base or run extensive market research campaigns. Compared to smaller tools like Google Forms, SurveySparrow provides much more depth when it comes to scalability. So, to wrap things up, if you want a survey tool that offers interactive surveys, powerful analytics, good integrations, and scalability, SurveySparrow might be the perfect choice for your business. But if you're just looking for a simple, budget-friendly tool, you might want to explore other options first. Now, if you want to try SurveySparrow for free and get access to some exclusive benefits, make sure to click the first link in the description below.